How to integrate Deepseek with Discord. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you integrate Deepseek with Discord. Now, this requires creating a Discord bot and using a no-code automatic automation platform or customizing programming to link it to Deepseek API. So what you need is for an account on a platform, make sure that you platforms such as a relay.app, or what you could do is just go to the Discord developer portal and create a new applications. So what you want to do is launch open Discord on your device and navigate to the bot section and click on add bot. So you want to click on the plus button. So you could also type in top.gg on the search bar and go and look for the bot, and once you do this, here you will be able to find a lot of bots available. So basically what you have to do is you want to ensure or enable necessary privilege gateway intent, content intent in the bot tab to ensure a bot can read message. You could also use auth tool or URL generator to create an invite link with the required permissions as well. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to type in Deepseek, and once you do this, you could find the bot relating it. You could then go ahead and add in, just click on invite, follow the on-screen prompt, and this way you'll be able to integrate Deepseek with Discord. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.